And you haven't even lit the fire yet.
And what?
Haven't even lit the fire yet.
All right, Mom, tell us what you're making.
I am making a bananas Foster. I have grass-fed butter. I have coconut sugar. A little bit of honey. It's caramelizing.
Any legumes?
No legumes. And let that boil a little. It's already bubbling. Look at it. See that?
Yeah.
I am just about to add my rum. Step away from the fire. I'm about to set this puppy on fire. Okay. So where's my fire thing? All right, here goes.
Ah!
And now it's not going. Yay! There's my fire. See it?
Yeah.
The pan. The pan is on fire.
We have farmer's insurance.
You thought you were insured for this, but you're actually insured for this.
There.
Can you throw a shrimp tail in your hat?
Someone was a little doubty I could do it, hey?
No, howdy.
Howdy. And now bananas. Coat them in a little bit of some of the Foster.
Bananas.
And we got a little bit of vanilla milk ice cream.